Hello everyone, today we are going to do a DIY face mask from old clothes. We are going to take a paper and mark 15 centimeters and 15 centimeters, making it a square like that. And we'll mark it in the center, that is 7.5 centimeters. And on the other side we are going to mark at 5 centimeters and at the bottom 3 centimeters. Next we are going to mark 4 centimeters on the top like so. And at the bottom we are going to mark at 3 centimeters. We are going to join these lines, the points that we have marked like that. And next we are going to join it in the center. And now we are going to make it a curve. So here we have cut the paper, and this is going to be our draft. I have taken an old t-shirt here. You can take any cloth. And also I have taken a cloth bag. You can take any bag like that, or you can use a cotton material. And we'll have to cut 4 pieces from the t-shirt and 2 pieces from the cloth bag like that. And we are going to organize it, one on the top and one at the bottom of the 2 pieces, and we are going to stitch on the edges like that, the curvy region, and we are going to stitch on both the sides. Here we have both the sides ready. We have stitched on the curves, and now we need to open it like that, keeping the both the front pieces inside and the back side on the outer side. And we'll have to sew on both the sides like that. Now we have this ready. We have stitched on both the sides. So I'm going to take a pipe cleaner and fold it, like 4-fold it like that. Now this is something which is going to add stiffness and give a proper fit at the nose. We are going to stitch it with hand, so we'll just take a needle and thread, and we're going to stitch it like that. And now it's time to turn or flip the material over. Okay, so we have turned the cloth, and we need to fold the edges and take 2 elastic bands about 3 to 4 inches length. You can also substitute it with a rubber band, and we need to add it on the edges and then sew it. I have stitched like twice, like I've taken 2 stitches on both the sides so that it's more sturdy. So here we have our mask ready, and this is how it looks. Now we are going to give another stitch in the center exactly like that on the curvy area. Okay, so the stitching is done, and this is how it looks. This is the final look, and this is the area where we had added the pipe, and you can see that we can mold it the way we want for giving it a proper fit. Thank you so much, guys.